Okay, so I got this crack weeder I'm about to try out. A brand sent me this. I have some bricks down here that have some cracks in them with the weeds growing through. So we're going to be using this thing. That's what it looks like. And this is going to be kind of to scrape the sidewalk. And I'm going to use this to get in between. Okay, so I'm going to try to do this. Hold the camera with one hand. Let's see. These So that's pretty much how it works. You get into another cracks. Go even with it. So that's the crack weeder. Pretty simple, easy to use. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.